NCHM JEE is one of the popular entrance exams conducted for admission to the UG programs offered by the affiliated colleges, institutes of the National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Experts suggest aspirants should commit 3 months to prepare for the exam and score a good rank. To formulate an effective NCHM JEE 2021 preparation strategy, the candidate must include NCHM JEE syllabus and exam pattern to ensure that all the important topics are just not covered but prepared thoroughly. NCHM JEE exam pattern. Let us check in detail about the NCHM JEE test pattern and marking scheme. NCHM JEE exam mode, computer based, duration of the exam 3 hours, types of questions asked in the exam: objective, medium of exam English and Hindi. Marking scheme: +4 for every correct answer, -1 for every incorrect answer. Sections from which questions will be asked: English language 60, aptitude for service sector 50, general knowledge and current affairs 30, reasoning and logical deduction 30, numerical ability and scientific aptitude 30. NCHM JEE preparation timetable. Recommended time for study each day 6 to 8 hours. Number of chapters to study per day 1. Number of mock test papers in a week at least 3. Number of chapters in a week 5. Number of days to complete the syllabus 2 months. Days dedicated to practice every week at least 2. Days for revision 10 days. Last minute preparation and revision 5 days. Section wise NCHM JEE preparation tips. Here we have formulated some effective tips suggested by experts and toppers. Numerical aptitude. The section comprises 30 questions. Start from NCERT class 9th and 10th textbooks for building a solid base. Give 2 hours daily for this section. Build a good grasp on topics such as compound interest, simple interest, profit and loss, averages, percentages, number systems, speed, distance, geometry. For verbal ability and reading comprehension. This is the most crucial section that comprises of 60 questions. Read more newspapers, blogs, articles. Take help from books like Arihant's General English for all competitive examinations, Pearson's English, Tata McGraw-Hill, etc. For service sector aptitude. This section will evaluate the candidate's interpersonal skills. Due to the graded marking system in this section, the candidates must enter a response which they feel will be suitable. For general awareness, take as many as possible GK quizzes. Keep yourself updated of recent happenings at the global level. It is also necessary to possess a sound knowledge of sports events, important awards, geography, history to fare well in this section. Other helpful tips. Give mock tests and analyze your strengths and weaknesses. Solve previous year's question papers. Get your doubts cleared and keep on revising. Also, pay heed to your mental and physical health. All the best.